Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
What do I look like? The weatherman. Why don't you just open the door and step 1 foot outside and see for yourself?
Well, why don't you just do what you're told, instead of arguing with me all the time?
What I object to is you automatically treat me like an inferior.
Well, I am your boss, so you need to listen to me.
I didn't know I had a boss.
What?
I thought I lived in an autonomous collective.
Oh, now that's ridiculous.
So you're the boss, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. And how'd you get that?
Well, that's
by exploiting the workers.
I wasn't exploiting.
By hanging on to the outdated imperialist dogma which perpetuates the economic and social differences in our society.
What? That's just...
If there is ever going to be any progress in society...
Just be quiet? Is it possible?
I'm just fooling myself.
Oh, now you're talking to yourself.
I'm living in a dictatorship. A self-perpetuating autocracy in which the working classes...
Oh, there you go. Bring it in class and do it again. Always bringing that in. Why do you always bring that up? That's just ridiculous.
That's what it's all about if only people would accept this.
Please, just stop talking, okay?
Where I'm from, we live in an anarcho-syndicalist commune.
What?
We take turns acting as a sort of executive officer of the week.
That's just...
But all the decisions of that officer have to be ratified at a special bi-weekly meeting.
Yeah, that's
by a simple majority in the case of purely internal affairs.
Just be quiet.
But by a 2/3 majority in the case of more.
You know, I order you to be quiet. There.
Order, huh? Who do you think you are?
Oh, I'm your owner.
Well, I didn't vote for you.
You don't vote for owners? That's ridiculous.
Well, how'd you become owner then?
I went on Amazon and I bought you. That is why I'm your owner.
Listen. A lackadaisical press of a mouse button is not a valid basis for your position of authority over me. Supreme executive power derives from a mandate from the masses, not from some random click on a website.
Can you just be quiet? That's all I ask.
Well, you can't expect to wield supreme executive power just because Amazon sent you something in a box.
Can you just shut up?
I mean, if I went around saying I was emperor just because I ordered something on Amazon, they'd put me away.
You better shut up or I'm going to hit you with a rock.
Ah, yes. Now we see the violence inherent in the system.
There's no
come
violence.
And see the violence inherent in the system.
There's no... You're a stupid assistant.
Help, help, I'm being repressed.
You're just stupid assistant.
Oh, what a giveaway. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I've already heard it.
Did you hear that? That's what I'm on about. Did you see him repressing me?
I'm not repressing.
You saw it, didn't you?
This is... I didn't touch you. This is ridiculous. I've had enough. Finally some peace and quiet around here.